So today I want to let's learn some Hebrew words today. All right, let's do that. Let's learn some Hebrew words. So for some of you all, this is stuff that you already know, but it's just a refresher. If you know someone who is new to the body of Christ and they're like, I don't know what all this stuff is, and what are people doing, and is that biblical? Well, let's go to the Bible and see what the Bible has to say. All right. So the Bible uses different words to describe worship. And each of these paint a unique picture of how we can connect with God. So let's unpack just a few of them. We're not going to go over all of them, but we're going to unpack a few of them. Now, I know that you've heard, you would have probably heard some of these words that I'm going to say. Y'all, you know what? I'm usually not cold, but for some reason I'm so cold today. I had walked outside and it was beautiful outside today. And you only needed like a lightweight sweater type of something on. And so I was like, ooh, I was going to film outside. And by the time I walked outside, decided I was going to film outside, came back in the house, got all the stuff that I needed to get, went back outside. It was cold out there, y'all. It was cold. I even had to change shirts because I was like, oh, it's cold. Because I tried to sit in my rocking chair and I was trying to get everything set up. And I'm like, I'm cold. And the wind was blowing just a little bit. And I was like, oh, I'm cold. And I haven't been able to get that cold off of me. So I had to go put on my thick jersey. But okay, so today, or first word I want to mention is Barak. Now, you all have heard this word before, and that word means to bless or to kneel. So we can find this in Psalms 95:6, and it says, come, let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. That's Psalm 95:6. Barak is about kneeling before God. It's a